For our sobra how? Sorry, for our sobra. I'm seriously talking to the wise only. The number 4 thing that God will give everybody seated here for free are ideas. Creative ideas. So Facebook was an idea. The television stations, including Footprint Television, Onia Television, Amansan Television, GM Television, where I'm preaching this gospel right now, is an idea. Sweet Melodies 94.3 FM is an idea. It's an idea that somebody had. Peace FM is an idea. Mineral water is an idea. God, I have never seen God throwing a bag of billions of US dollars from heaven to anybody. Yerobia starts with an idea. And then the next thing he grants you, even further, is when he adds opportunities. And so I say that the best footballers are not Ronaldo and Messi. The best footballers might be playing here at Alajo Park. The best footballers may be playing here at Wembley at Alajo. There is a Wembley at Alajo. Not the United Kingdom Wembley. The reason why they are not yet in the La Liga league, or they are not in the Premier League or in the Champions League, is because they have not yet gotten an opportunity. The best preachers are not us. As a matter of fact, the best preachers possibly we might not even know, because they might have not gotten the opportunity yet. They are not televised preachers. They are not preachers on radio. They don't transmit what they do. So really listen to me very carefully. And so then, God gives you opportunity. There are so many relationships that have surrounded you that are opportunities. I can boldly tell you some of those opportunities. My relationship with Mama Christie is a big opportunity. Just mentioning Mama Christie's name opens doors for me. My